It's time for a Predator mode video. Because I found something pretty weird and obscure that I just wanted to share with you. So, welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, Wicked Family. So in today's video we are going to talk about once again Pandora's box. So for the people new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell and become one of this awesome family. Because we are talking about a lot of great stuff. So the Pandora box, I have made a lot of videos about it because there's so much to talk about. But if you're new to the channel thinking, what is a Pandora box? Pandora box is basically, let's say, a 1 or 2 player plug and play arcade machine. So we have different versions, and the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I have never seen a Jamma connection or a Jamma board inside a Pandora box. I did see some, let's say, family editions, so basically there are main boards specially made, what I understand, for these Pandora box or similar products, but I've never seen a Jamma, because Jamma are normally only used in arcade machines, and I'm talking about the full-size cabinets. What I think is really unique and pretty weird that he's selling this. So he says here 2017, he's not lying about that. No GeForce, yes I know my driver already, go away. But they are talking about the 815 in 1. So that let me think, okay, first of all, why would you even consider building a Jamma mainboard from an arcade machine in a Pandora box? As you can see, we're having a separate power supply. With the family edition, we're having the power supply on the outside, so basically a 12 volt power supply. But this, why? Why? What are the... There's not a lot of room, so you cannot add a full PCB board. Let's say if you want to upgrade it with an original mainboard. And the price. 815 games. I can tell you, this is a Pandora Box 4S, so that's pretty old. It's a freaking prehistoric machine. And not in a good way, no. So I'm thinking, why? So scrolling a little bit, by the way, this is a great store, Retro Arcade CN store, it sells a lot of great stuff. So there's nothing wrong with it, but it's more like this product that he's selling. I was thinking, why? Why would you consider making this? Because a family box is way more convenient. And this is something that is also, of course, a little bit different. And here comes the other problem. For example, if you're buying this mainboard and thinking, okay, I don't like the mainboard, you are forced to use a Jamma connector or a Jamma version. You cannot switch because at the back, this is the back of the system where you can find all the buttons. You cannot swap them out. So if there are arcade fans out there, what do you think of this Jamma thing or this Jamma connector or Jamma mainboard inside this Pandora box? So here's a quick scroll through the list. The list is basically almost the same if you compare it with the Pandora Box 5. And they had a lot of great games. See some double games over here. Let me see, Jackie Chan, all the Metal Slugs are on it. Or yes, all Metal Slugs. But I think what I've noticed with the older version that the emulation can be very poor. For example, Mortal Kombat runs like shit most of the time. But here oh yeah, here it comes, here it comes. So what they've done, they put, let's say, on first page, page 4, all the Metal Slug games. But if you're scrolling further, and going to page 21, we're having all the Metal Slug games all over again. Only these are the hacked versions. So as you can see, there are a lot of double games on it. A lot of double games. There's one big messy list, like always with these older boxes. So and overall, this is what you're going to get. So scroll a little bit through it. Let's say okay. Let's go. There more information about the product. No, there is no information about the product. So the reason I wanted to make this video, I just wanted to show you here, like for example, how it looks. And I cannot find a way or find a reason why to buy this. This is the reason I make this in Predator video. In these videos I just talk about stuff that I came across. If you're interested, you can all pick it up for yourself. But if you look at this, $190, so that's a lot of money if you compare with all the family boxes, because there are so many versions out there. And fun fact, we're having newer models with the family boxes that are way cheaper than this one. So that concludes this video. I really love to know from you, what do you think of this, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you want to see gameplay, I also have a Wicked Gaming channel. This is a gaming channel, and the name already says it. There's a channel only focused on gameplay. Together with my team, making a lot of stuff every time, every single day, we're having new videos. See you next time, and stay strong, stay positive, stay wicked. Predator mode out.